Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vlog. Here we are. Chillin'. La 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 la. La la la. Yeah, so I just left Tyler's helpful spot. I was at Moto Velocita, and Tyler is the goddamn Ducati whisperer. What a blessing that I got to talk to him. I sure miss him. I sure miss him in town. I have to go there and visit his shop. God damn, what a nice guy. But anyway, so he just diagnosed my bike free of charge, and now I know what the issue is. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? So yeah, and I literally thought it was this, that, and the third. A, my oil leak is like nothing, and B, my little misfiring is an electrical issue. It has to do with my fucking somebody's smoking some serious weed. But it has to do with the coil cables. The coil cables. And that was a crazy maneuver for a wet day. So yeah, spark plug wires, and some new spark plugs. I am so happy that I listened to him, or I got a chance to talk to him. It's such a blessing. Thank you, Tyler. You are the best. You are the best. And now I get to ride home in this muck. Look at Manhattan skyline over there. I don't know what's going on with this car. No F's given. It's freaking chilly. It's chilly. These gloves are so warm, I don't even have my heat on. They're warm enough. And all these people are obviously not on a motorcycle, because look at that fucking gap he's keeping. Look at that fucking gap. What are you doing, bro? What the fuck? I'm too excited. I'm too excited to teach everybody how to ride, how to drive. I might as well calm the fuck down before I dump it. But yeah, long story short, I'm very much excited. I am happy. There's a few things that I can do to help my bike. So nice. Much fun. Very excited. Now I get to go home and order some parts. Now I get to go home and drink some soda pop. I'm trying to like not drink beer. And it's not as easy as it looks, because beer is a cornerstone of any nutritious lifestyle. Any nutritious lifestyle. Cars are just so weird. You know what I mean? Like, look, the road is wide open, and for some reason we're going 35. Like, is it true that people in cars don't have anywhere to go, ever? Is it true that only motorcycle riders have fucking places to be and things to see? Car drivers are just like, fuck it, like, YOLO? I don't know. Maybe it is true. That's how it appears, at least. I don't understand. I don't understand. Like, look at that. Look at this shit. There's like fucking room everywhere. Yeah, people are in traffic. How? Why? Nobody know. Nobody know. Nobody know. Ooh. Come on. Come on there, Cadillac. What did you do? You switched the middle lane just to slow down? You fuck. This is probably not the smartest because like with the wind it's below freezing, and I bet all these shiny roads are actually like icy. Dude, are you gonna fucking go? Like, what's with the fucking turn signal, buddy? Where are you turning, you stupid potato? What the fuck are you doing, bro? Savagery in the moisture. It's wet, but savage. Oh boy. I guess I'm not gonna split in between these assholes. I guess I'll just chill. So yeah, good news, much excitement, much fun. I'm gonna fix my bike. Tyler is the man. Tyler is the motherfucking man. We'll see. We'll see. I hope he's right. I do hope he is correct. Do 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 do. Who knows? I mean, could be true, could be not. He also said my spark plugs are not correct, which is kind of funny because I ordered the ones that were recommended to me by certain someone I will not mention. Nice. Look at this bike. Sounds crazy. Sounds like a fucking scooter, bro. It's the moisture, it's the wetness. Yo, check out that bro's hair. Fuck yeah, bro. Fuck yeah. Kids are so weird nowadays. Kids are so weird. I guess it doesn't matter. I remember back in the day, if you're wearing like nail polish as a dude, you're either goth or gay, you know? But nowadays, it's like you can just be a normal, cool dude. You're just into nail polish, you know? What's the big fucking deal? There is none. Shit, I should start wearing nail polish. I should get into nail polish myself. Maybe I'm just hating. Maybe I'm just hating. It's possible. See, this vlog just talks about anything. But yeah, long story short, I'm gonna get a new motor, pop that fucker in. That's how that's gonna crumble. That's how that's gonna crumble. And this monster will live another day. Anywho, boys and girls, thank you for watching as always, and I will talk to you soon. I shall talk to you very much shortly. Very much shortly. Ooh, look at this car. Whose car is that? Mine? Maybe? Bye.